every day is a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
And one of the coolest accessories that I saw for the Mavic Mini was the Mavic Mini Charging Base. So as you start to get a few of these drones, you wonder where the heck you're going to put them. And aside from just leaving them in your bag, it would be cool to have a place to display your drone. So the Mavic Mini Charging Base looked like a cool way to display the Mini when we're not using it. So let's check it out really quick. Alright, so nothing to unbox here. All that comes in the box is the charging base itself, which we found out does not spin. And then the little display thing, cover that goes over it, just like that. So this whoa, you see that? Alright, so this charges the Mini 2 via USB Type A. You set it on top of the base and it will charge it. But we found out that this is a magnet. So that's a magnet. So it just magnets on there. And before you say, wow, that's cool, let's look a little bit further. Oh, and also you get a USB Type A cord without the power brick on it. So you need to have your own little power brick if you want to plug it into the wall. So here's the Mini. And I will say that it's definitely easier if you get one of the accessories that hold the props in place. Otherwise they're going to be falling all over just like mine are on both sides. And then you'd line up the bottom with that. And then the USB Type A will go on your USB Type A port on the Mini. Let's see if we can get these two together for a hot date. In the instructions, it says to take this off first and insert it in the Mini ahead of time. Because otherwise you could press too hard and it can get stuck, which is one thing we kind of learned the hard way as soon as we got this thing. Which definitely adds to how I feel about the product overall. Okay. This is very hard. Like that. It's not very easy getting that little thing in there. So, again, once you have it in, fix your props however you want them. They're going to be moving all over the place. Then you just line it up so the magnet will catch as soon as you get it close. So it just sits on there. Just like that. Kind of looks like the space shuttle. Like how the space shuttle would be trying to dock. So that's how it goes. And once you plug in the USB Type A, there it is. You get this cool light that illuminates. You can turn it on and off right there. And then when you put it on, voila. That's what it looks like. So, it looks cool. Definitely nice place to store your Mini. Kind of has a nice display piece. It does not spin. We thought it spun originally. There are some items on Amazon that you can order that will make the base spin, which would be cool. And that icon does indicate that it is charging. Now, one issue that I did have with this product is you open it up and then you take it out. You have your connector that was magnetic in the Mini. I don't know if DJI made this with the intention of you leaving this in and flying with it on, but I highly doubt that they will want you flying with this thing stuck in there. So that leads me to believe that you're meant to take it out, you know, before you fly and after every time you use it. Well, the only problem is taking it out is a problem. This thing is very, very hard to get out. I mean, you better have some super strong nails or some pliers to get it out without damaging the drone. And I don't like that. This charges the Mini very slow as well. It is nowhere near as fast as charging it on, you know, with the normal charger battery pack that it comes with. So you're not buying this to charge it, and you're buying it to display it. We got it for $39.99. It's a very slow charger, and this thing, I don't know. I don't like taking this thing in and out every time. I almost think I'm gonna damage it. So let me get this out real quick, and we'll be right back. So I'm back after dropping that little USB Type A connector on the floor, probably losing it. Finally got it out without damaging my drone. So again, I think it's a really cool product. Nice little display, Beauty and the Beast type little vibe going on, I don't know. But as far as like a charger, charges it slow, and that connector is just not good at all. So I would not get it as a charger. But for $39.99 or a sale, if you want a cool place to display your drone, I think it does do that. Pretty cool. You have this nice little light. And as we learned, even without the magnetic charger in there, it still holds the drone just fine. You see? It's just me trying to move it. Still goes in there just fine. It just, nothing's holding like this. There's these little grooves. Like it's kind of a little groove in there. It's a groove thing. So it's not gonna fall unless you like hit it, you know? It can fall if you shake it enough, but it's in there, right? And you just kind of get these things looking good. And now it's in there. And then you put this on. Boom. The light does come on, even if it's not being charged. So now, boom, I'll display it there, you know? 30 bucks, 40 bucks, whatever, fine. You know, nice little place to display it on your dresser or desk or something. I will not be using the charging pin because I don't want to damage my drone or my fingernails trying to get it out of there. Just a little quick video on the Mavic Mini Charging Base. On sale for $39.99 on Amazon. And happy flying, everybody. Thanks so much for questing with us. We'll see you next time. Take care. Never stop questing. Peace.